guys, welcome to this video. So what I'm hoping to achieve is I've got some magnesium here, okay. Hopefully you can see it's a little bit shiny in some places. What I've tried to do is scrape off some of the magnesium oxide, okay, expose just the magnesium metal. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab self test tube, I'm going to pop it in here, okay. It's kind of stuck because my test tube is a bit wet. Oops. Let me just grab one of these, okay. Push it down in there, okay, and then I'm going to get, so here I got some copper 2 nitrate, okay, you can see it's nice and blue. And I'll pop that in here, and because magnesium is higher on our scale, okay, what we should see, okay, we're going to see a little bit of the magnesium is going to react with the water, which is a bit of a pain because it's quite reactive, but we should also see is the copper 2, okay, or the magnesium displacing the copper 2 and the copper going back to the metal, and the magnesium going to its iron. So the magnesium should end up with a bit of a coating of copper on it, which will hopefully then stop it reacting with the water, right? So one of the things we should see, and this will take a little while, so we'll pause the video, we'll let some time elapse, and then I'll bring it back. We should see the bluey color disappearing because magnesium nitrate is colorless when in solution, okay, and we should hopefully see a pinky color forming on our magnesium. Now I'm not sure if that's going to happen because the magnesium is also going to react with the water, right, which messes with our reaction a little bit, but we'll see what happens. So we'll put that one to the side, we'll wait for a bit, and we'll see if we see any changes. Alright, bye for now.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I'm going to try another one while we're here. Okay, so I've got some copper, okay, and I've filed it so you can see the shiny bit. I've got rid of the copper oxide, okay. I'll pop it in here with some silver nitrate, okay, and we'll see if we get some silver on here, and we should hopefully see some blue appearing in here. So we're just going to leave that again for a while, and we'll see if we get a color change. And hopefully we get some silver forming, which would be quite cool.
20 minutes later.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our copper nitrate with our magnesium. Now obviously the whole color hasn't disappeared, but you can see we've got a color change happening there, okay. And so we've got some different things happening there. We've got that magnesium replacing the copper in solution and then changing the solution. I'll just tip this out and we'll see if we can see any of the copper on the magnesium. I'm not sure we will be able to because of the magnesium also reacting with the water, but we'll have a look. It's very hard to see, but you can kind of see that it's gone bluish. Okay, so the copper's kind of magnesium has definitely reacted, but it's hard for you guys to be able to see exactly what's going on. It's become very brittle, like I can just break this, so it hasn't worked perfectly, but you can see some blue on there, so we've definitely had some reactions going on. And I've got some grainy copper, but it's quite hard to see. Next one is much easier. So we definitely had some displacement there, right? Because magnesium is more reactive than copper. Okay, magnesium replaced the copper in solution, right? And the copper became the metal, and the magnesium became the iron. Okay, this one here, if I'm very careful with it. Okay, so this was our silver nitrate. Now it's not. I'll just bring this nice and close so you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, so you can see it's a little. You guys can kind of see on the video, but the solution is definitely starting to turn a light blue color. So we've got the copper metal going into solution, becoming the iron. And then you can kind of see it's grown kind of around here. It almost looks a little coral reefish, but that's all the silver that has come out of solution and become the metal. Now obviously it doesn't look like you know, your nice silver ring or something like that. Okay, I might just try to turn this so I got less. All right, but that's definitely some silver metal being created there, and I've got my blue solution. So again, we've had a single displacement because copper is higher on our reactivity series than the silver. Hopefully this is helpful. Again, I'm going to tip this out, and I'll see if I can show you some silver. It's going to be hard to show you on the video, but it is definitely there. Yeah, so let's try and put my camera back down. If I squeeze this, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it, but it definitely becomes more silver-like. Definitely starts to have that silvery kind of tinge to it. I'm not sure if you can see it there on my thumb, or my finger here, right? But that's definitely some silver metal. It's just like I would have to heat it and melt it together, get rid of some of the impurities in there, and then I'll get the kind of shiny silver that you guys are probably used to thinking of as silver. But you know, if I squash it, it's definitely got that greyish colour to it that wasn't there before. So, and the copper still reasonably shiny, but it's not quite as shiny as it was before. So, okay, made silver. Okay, hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you guys later.